Hello everyone, this is Pooja from the Vishnu Code Academy and welcome to our new project on Scratch. Now we are going to learn how to make a story on Scratch. It can be any story. So right now on the screen you can see a small conversation or a story going on. Let's see how it's gonna work. So this is the small story that is going to be made right now by us, and by the end of this video you will be able to make any story you want, you feel like, any conversation. You can make any number of uh, new additions to it, and you can make it as long as you want it. So let's get started. We don't need this cat sprite. We are going to make a conversational story. So let's pick Abby. And let's pick our another sprite for the talk. Let's pick Avery. Uh, okay. So Avery is facing the other direction, but we want the conversation to happen in between the two. So we can flip this. Now they are facing each other. So it would look like they are having a conversation with each other. Now we need a backdrop for this first of all. They would be conversing in the back bedroom, so this is good enough. We have got a good bedroom and both are standing, and we need a conversation started between them. So first thing, when we click on the clean flag, what should happen? We will start the conversation from Abby's side. So let's make her say something. She can say hello only. It's good enough. Then Abby also needs to reply. First taking a green flag block, so that whenever we click on this green flag, the code will start and then the conversation will start automatically. So we need to give a reply hello. But see, this is occurring at the same time. But we want a reply of Avery after Abby. So we need to give a wait block over here. If we give a wait block for 2 seconds, then it will wait for 2 seconds after Abby speaks up, and then it will speak hello. Now let's see. Yeah, it's waiting for 2 seconds and then speaking up. Now we want some more conversation to go on between them. We need to add a wait block again over here, so that after Avery speaks up, Abby waits for 2 seconds. It doesn't happen at the same time. That's what a conversation is, right? One speaks, other waits, and then the other replies back. So let's say Abby says, "How are you?" And then Avery needs to reply. Let's say after 2 seconds, again wait. When Abby is speaking, and then It says, yeah, fine, thank you. It can say, I'm fine. Now let's see how it's working. Hello and a hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. So this is a true line conversation done. Now we want to change the backdrop. We want the characters to move into another bedroom or another place. So we will write the code for that now. First of all, they should discuss that they want to go to the other room. Suppose they want to go to the sister's room. I haven't added a wait block over here. So let me add it first. The wait will be for Avery speaking. One way is to add a wait block so that the conversation goes on at the right time scheduled, or else you can add a broadcast way also. We have the broadcast blocks over here. We can use these blocks, and if a message is broadcasted from say Abby to Avery, then Avery will receive that broadcasted message and then do a certain action depending on that broadcasted message when it is received. So it is an invisible message which is sent from one person to the other. That is what is broadcasting over here. So we have made say Abby, let's go to my sister's room for 2 seconds. Now let us make it broadcast a message, message 1, and here it will receive the message. When I receive message 1, it should give a reply. It would say, yeah, sure. And then backdrop would change. Let's select one other backdrop. Let's select bedroom 2. But since over here we are changing the backdrop to bedroom 2, they should initially be in bedroom 1. So we need to fix that. For both the sprites, the backdrop should be bedroom 1 at the beginning. Now let's see how it's working. Yeah, they are in the other room. Now we want the sister to be there. So let's pick another sprite. Ballerina looks like her sister, younger sister. So let's place her over here. And when the backdrop would change, then at that point of time, we want ballerina to speak. When backdrop switches to bedroom 1, it shouldn't be looking. It should be hidden. So we need to select the hide block, and when the backdrop would shift to bedroom 2. Okay, that's in the even section. Then we can see ballerina. So we need to put the show block over here. And then it needs to speak up also something. Now let's see how it's working. They are saying hello, then how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Let's go to my sister's room. Yeah, sure. Then hello from the sister, and the backdrop has changed. So we have successfully completed making a small story with the change in backdrop and a small conversation with addition of a character. So you can add many more things. You can add many more backdrops, many more characters, many more conversations, sounds, and you can add many more things. You can make a whole small animation out of this using these basic things. So if you like this video, then please do not forget to like it, comment on the video, and share it with all your friends and family. Do subscribe to the channel, and also do not forget to press on the bell icon for future updates and notifications. Thank you.